In this video, I'll be reversing the car in between two parked cars in a busy car park. This is a typical scenario we're going to do now is that you pass your driving test and you go into a car park that's busy, and we're going to be parking, reverse parking into a parking space in between cars, which doesn't sound too bad, but we're not going to do the normal let's go past it and reverse back 3 bays to get into it. We're going to swing it round to the right and bring it into the left. So I can see one straight away ahead of me, just by the red car on the left. There's now behind me, and I'm slowing down, just have a quick check. Now I'm keeping close to the left and I'm having a good look. Now there's definitely a space there for me, easy. So I'm checking round, bringing it out. That's quite important that when I bring it out, and you'll see in the rear camera now, that the back of the car on the left hand side is probably level with the red car behind me. So I'm swinging it round, looking round. Pop it in reverse, that'd be a good idea. I'm just going to wait for this guy because he's walking around the car. I'll carry on. I'm looking in mirrors and shoulders because I've got to be careful because I'm reversing between two cars here. And I'm just gradually edging it in. And it's quite important to take your time, because if you don't, you're going to find that you're going to reverse into something. So I'm in the bay, it's a tight spot, which is what you want really. I mean, ideally you want a nice quiet bit, but you're not going to get that in most car parks, especially if you start parking close to the entrance. So it's just about, as you go past the bay, you swing it to the right to bring it into the left, but you check before you do it. So we'll find another one to do, and I'll demonstrate it again. So I'm just going to come out of here slowly, because that silver car is blocking my view a little bit. And I'll have a drive round and I'll have a look for another car, something similar, where I've got to kind of swing it in between two cars. Because there's not wrong with learning that way for the test, which is get yourself parallel, drive past it and reverse in, but it's not the kind of the thing you'll do in a busy car park, because you'll drive past the space and someone will actually drive into the bay, so you miss it. So I'll bring it into here. I'm looking for a space. I'm not going to take that one on the right because I want to reverse into the left, so I'm going to leave that one. Besides, there's a few gaps there, it's too easy. I'm just going to drive round looking for a space that I can do it on. And this is the thing about car parks, you just got to go slow and take your time. Now there's a space just past this black Mini, so I'm looking what's happening around me, and I'm going to reverse into that space where the black Mini's on my left here. So I'm just going to look what's happening. Definitely getting that one. So I'm checking the bay to make sure I can actually get in the bay, and I'm bringing it out to the right, stopping the car so the back end of my left is level with their corner of their car. And I'm looking round, taking my time, swinging the wheel to the left because I want the car to go to the left. Looking round, there's a car on my left, checking my mirrors, checking my shoulders. It's not in a rush. You might have to do a shunt and go forward. And I'm taking my time, just gradually bringing it in, waving to the guy saying thank you for waiting patiently, or the girl, and she just drives past me. And that's fine if she wants to do that, but it's risky. I'd wait for the car to get out of the way first. But I'm just bringing it in like a snail and then stopping. Now obviously if you bring it in fast, there's a high risk that you're going to miss something or reverse into whatever's behind me, whether it be the fence or another car. And like I say, if you take it slowly and use your shoulders and your mirrors and be expecting to stop, then you're probably going to be able to edge it in slowly, just using a little bit of gas, a little bit of clutch, and just take your time bringing it in. Okay, good luck if you pass your test and you want to try this. And remember, take your time. Don't be afraid if you can't get in first time to drive out of the bay and to reverse it back in doing a shunt. Okay, take care, safe driving.